is regularly asking the doubt is must. Don't hesitate to ask the doubt. I want mark in your paper, then you trouble me n number of times. And if somebody is missing anything, you can discuss with your friends also. Like if somebody has not written some notes or you are absent, you can ask your friend, post kar de mujhe ya common group mein. So that thing will get clear. And if you require some my help, you call me. So all string related sum I am doing just now. String related, हाँ. पहला टेस्ट वाला सब सम सबको जमा. Come to page number 1, page number 17, sum number 139. 139 page number. Three equal weight are as shown. First weight, second weight, third weight are as shown in the figure. Three weights each of 3 kg are hanging as shown in the figure. Passes over frictionless pulley as shown in figure. Tension in the string between 2 and 3. Here we want tension. Between 2 and 3, take GS 10. Can anybody solve this sum? Chalo,
Yes,
ek bar
sir.
main. You can solve? Shall I wait for 1 minute?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो 1 मिनट रुकता हूं, देखता हूं किसको आंसर आता है. All of you can put your effort. 2 minutes will wait.
Sir, is it 5 Newton?
You are getting 5 Newton. I have not checked the answer. Others are also getting same. No, 5 Newton is wrong. Answer is 20 Newton. One minute more left out. Okay, look on the screen. See, first ka. Now first, can you tell what will be chance of motion here? Clockwise or anti-clockwise chance of motion?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Clockwise. So this will be acceleration direction, and here this will be acceleration ka direction. Acceleration ka direction matlab net force ka direction. On this body, 3g is acting downwards its weight, and this is suppose tension T1. So for first part I can say T1 minus 3g is 3a equation 1. Clear? Any doubt in first free body diagram say result? No, na? Now come to second body. Abhi either suppose T2 is ये तो T1 एक्ट होएगा इधर से, सेम स्ट्रिंग, तो बॉडी से अवे T1, ये दूसरा धागा, सो T2, इसका वजन 3g नीचे, so motion is downward, so I can say 3g plus T2 minus T1, 3g downward, 2t downward, I have added ऊपर वाला minus is giving net force mass into acceleration. Second also clear? Second clear? Second one?
Yes, sir.
Third one, 3g is downward, T2 is upward, so it will be 3g minus T2 equals to 3a, equation 3. I am adding all, adding. If I add T1 minus T1, T2 minus T2 will get cancelled, 3g will get cancelled, so we get only one 3g equal to 9a. Therefore a equals to 3g upon 9 equals to g by 3. A equals to g by 3. We are interested in tension T2. So from third equation, 3g minus T2 is 3a. So T2 equals to 3g minus 3a. 3g minus 3 into g by 3. So this becomes 2g. 2g means 2 into 10 equal to 20 Newton. Everybody has followed now? Hello? Everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
Please solve. And doubt then please ask her individually, no harm. Draw diagram, write everything, all equations carefully.
Done, sir.
Okay. One 41. Bodies A and B of mass 10 and 15 kg are kept on smooth horizontal surface tied to the ends of a light string, tied to the end of light string. If T represents, T है क्या T dash है? If T represents tension in the string when horizontal force 500 is applied to A as shown in the figure. 500 is applied as shown in the figure. In the figure A. And T dash is the tension. Here T is the tension, here T dash is the tension. When 500 Newton is applied as shown in the figure, then we want T dash and T ka value. Chalo. For first body A, Vaibhav, what will be the direction of tension for first body?
Towards right.
Towards right. And for B, towards left, correct?
Yes.
This entire body will move towards left side because force is towards left.
Yes, sir.
So can I say in first case for A, F minus T is ma? Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but so this is 500 minus T equal to 10A. Let this be equation B. Question 1. For B1, T is only pulling force equal to 15 times A because its mass is 15.
Yes, sir.
So एक तो shortcut भी था. Total acceleration I can find total force upon total mass, or by this. Now when you add, what will happen? Minus T plus T will get cancelled. So F will become 500 will become 25A. So A equals to 500 upon 25, A equals to 20. Now T equals to 15 into A, that is 15 into 20, which is equals to 15 into 2, 30, 300. T is 300. Followed? 300 T. Hello? Everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
अब ये ऑप्शन ना एक ही में दिख रहा है, डी में. So I need not calculate T dash, but for you now I will calculate. First see, again listen. अभी दो बॉडी एक ही धागे के साथ टाइड है, तो डायरेक्टली I would have written total acceleration is total force 500 upon total mass 25, that is 20. फिर ये T equals to 15 times A, that is 15 into 20. अगर शॉर्टकट जम रहे तो दो लाइन में आ गया था आंसर. नहीं तो ये फॉर्मूला लिख के अच्छे से करो इधर. All of you copy till this?
Sir,
हाँ.
can you explain that shortcut method again?
Shortcut method means total force upon total mass. What is total force? 500.
500.
Total mass is how much? 25.
25, yes.
तो ये लिख दिया.
Okay,
ये
हाँ.
कितना है? 20. अब ये टेंशन T इसको खींच रहा है ना आगे, तो T इसको
Yes, sir.
डायरेक्ट.
Yes, sir. Got it.
तो फर्स्ट यू राइट
Okay.
फुल, देन यू राइट और करके.
Okay, sir.
फर्स्ट टाइम पूरा अच्छे से करो, फिर शॉर्टकट आपके ऊपर है, कभी भी कम कर सकते हैं स्टेप्स. Test portion you are knowing na? Any confusion is there in test portion?
No, sir.
और शायद मैंने पोस्ट किया है वो प्लानर में.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now for second body, second case, when force is reversed, we have to find what is tension T dash. ये shortcut से करता हूँ. Yes, completed ना first part? Tension.
Yes, sir.
चलो कथन आप ही बोलो. What is net force acting on the body?
So 500.
500. What is net mass?
So 25.
all are in same direction, so we are adding. Opposite रहेगा तो थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा.
Subtracting.
So this is net acceleration is net force 500 upon net mass 25, फिर से 20 आया, बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज अगर सेम बॉडी है तो राइट खींचो क्या लेफ्ट खींचो, सेम फोर्स से सेम एक्सेलरेशन आएगा. अभी टेंशन इसके ऊपर, ये टी डैश. व्हाट इज टी डैश? टी डैश इज नथिंग बट दिस 500. टी डैश, टी डैश 500 माइनस टी डैश इज 15a, बराबर ना? ये बॉडी के लिए,
Yes, sir.
ये बॉडी पे फोर्स इज 500, opposing is t dash, which we want equal to mass into acceleration. So t dash equals to 500 minus 15 into 20. So t dash equals to 500 minus 300 equals to 200 Newton. So option D is perfectly right. T we got 300, t dash is 200.
Done, sir.
Now I'm doing sum number 137. 137. Two bodies, 2 kg, 1 kg are in contact with each other. 3 Newton is applied on the body. Then the force of contact between two blocks is how much? Here we want what is force of contact. So this body is acted upon by F equal to 3 Newton. So it will apply force N to the 1 kg body. 1 kg body will give this way force to this. We want what is N. And this body is moving this way with acceleration A. N मतलब देखो टेंशन जैसा ही है, कुछ बड़ा बात नहीं है. So if I draw free body diagram for 2 kg, then I can see on 2 kg F is acting on the right and N is acting on the left. Any doubt? Both currents, any doubt?
No, sir.
Kathan, Aryan?
No, sir.
No, Hitarth?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Hitarth, I wish you cross at least 90% in each test. आपके मार्क के हिसाब से you are not getting your result.
Okay, sir.
And please everybody write name on the paper. Even अभी देखो एक पेपर मुझे समझा ही नहीं किसका है, मैंने इसलिए कॉमन ग्रुप पे डाल दिया है. लास्ट में एक समझा था हितार्थ का, फिर वो मैसेज डिलीट करके हितार्थ को पास किया. See, this is F on the right minus N should give me net force, that is 2A on the first body. So it is like 3 minus N equal to 2A first equation. For 1 kg body, only the force acting is N, which is normal reaction at point of contact, and body is moving in the right. So here N equals to mass of that body into acceleration, second equation. Again, if I add 1 and 2, we get 3 equals to 4a.
Sir, it should be 2.
2 per 3, sorry. So 3 equals to 3a. So a equal to 1. So n equal to 1 Newton. Clear? See, a is 1. Substitute in second equation. 1 into 1 is 1. So n equal to 1. Normal reaction 1 Newton. Yes, Aryan Bagwe, Sandesh, all medical aspirants, they have followed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 चलो करो फिर solve for a equals to 1. Therefore n equals to 1a. So n equals to 1 into 1. N equal to 1 Newton. Once you complete, let me know.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. Come to question number 144, 144. Three masses M1, M2, M3 are connected as shown. F is the force applied. Tension in the thread between masses M2 and M3. Here we want tension. Can anybody suggest me by shortcut method? First, how to get net acceleration? Shortcut
Force
method
upon
is
mass.
force upon all the mass na M1
Yes, sir.
plus M2 plus M3. So ये आ गया net acceleration पहले. Now here we want tension. So I'm calling this as T2. This will be T2. So can I say F minus T2 is M3 into A for this body, free body diagram? For this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So T2 will be F minus M3A. So T equals to F minus M3. A is F upon M1 plus M2 plus M3. So T equals to F common. Here M1 plus M2 plus M3 minus M3 upon M1 plus M2 plus M3. 1 M3 M3 cancel. So M1 plus M2 upon M1 plus M2 plus M3 into F. Okay. Option B.
Yes, sir.
M1 plus M2, A option. A.
Yes, sir, done.
Come to 145. Figure shows a block of mass M1 resting on smooth surface. Figure represents block M1 resting on smooth surface. It is connected to M2. M2 is greater than M1. By passing string over massless frictionless pulley, acceleration of hanging mass M2 will be how much? Acceleration of M2 will be how much? Again, will you take 1 minute and try?
Sir, is it option D?
Yes. Others also try. Option D is correct.
Option D.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
ऑप्शन डी ना. कौन सा मेथड किया आपने? M2G और ये टेंशन T. सो M2G minus tension must be equals to nothing but M2A. फिर ये same T is equals to M1A. So M2G QT will get cancelled, equals to M2A plus M1A. So M2G upon M1 plus M2 is A. D option is correct. 146. After this you will try. 146.
Sir, 2.5.
146 वाला
Yes,
Yes, sir,
2.5, sir.
2.5.
यस 2.5 बराबर है. एक मिनट में एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ, धीरे धीरे सबको समझने लगेगा. फिर धीरे 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 अगर क्लिक होता है ना तो शॉर्टकट मेथड भी अप्लाई करो आप. 5 kg 7 kg force of 6 Newton, इधर सपोज n1 लिखता हूँ to avoid n Newton confusion नहीं होना चाहिए. So n1, find the 6 Newton appear this much in contact with each other if the force applied this much on this much is how much. Two blocks of 7 placed with each other if 6 Newton is applied to heavier on the lighter is. अब ये देखो कुछ बराबर एक लाइन शायद हुआ नहीं है. A force of 6 Newton is applied to the heavier mass. The force on lighter mass is okay. बराबर. Force on lighter mass is. Force on lighter mass मतलब N1 है ना उसके ऊपर force. So F acting 6 on the right. First body के लिए for 7 kg. 6 on the right. N1 on the left is 7A. For second body, N1 is nothing but 5A. So when you add, you will get 6 equals to 12A. So A equals to 1 by 2. Now N1 is force on second body which is 5A. 5 into half, 2.5. This is what answer you all told. Everybody is followed? Mohit, Swaraj?
Yes, sir.
So anybody who has not followed, please after the lecture you wait for 5-10 minutes. I will explain. If not, then tell K sir today keep extra lecture in the evening. Now many of you got neck of the sum. 147. If this everybody is telling correct, then I think 90% you all have understood well. One 47.
Sir, is it 32?
Yes. T3 is given 40 Newton. Then T2 is how much? So first net acceleration is T3 upon M1 plus M2 plus M3. T3 is 40, M1 is 10 plus M2 6 plus 4. 40 upon 20 equals to 2 meter per second square. Then T2 minus T3 is M3A. So T2 minus 40 equals to M3. M3 is given as 4. A we got 2. So T2 equals to T3 minus T2 is M3A. T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. So therefore T2 is T3 minus 8. which is 40 minus 8, 32 is the required. One 48. One 47. Can I clear from the screen? Hello, shall I clear from the screen?
Yes, sir.
148. Tension in the string will be how much? Do you know this right angle triangle wala funda? Angle is 37. So ये 3 4 5 का
3
triplet
4
होता है.
5 sir.
तो ये 3, ये 4, ये 5. Correct ना?
Yes sir.
Smallest side is 37 के सामने वाला, and then 4 hypotenuse is the longest side. Now this is tension. Away from the body is tension. They're telling body is accelerating downward with A equals to 2 meter per second square. ये बॉडी को नीचे कौन खींचेगा? m
And
g
G.
sin थीटा है ना, इसका कंपोनेंट है ना. देखो थीटा इज 37, तो ये g हो गया ना ऐसा वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड. तो g का दो कंपोनेंट करता हूं मैं, एक इधर एक इधर. तो ये वाला g इसको खींचेगा ना आगे. नॉट फॉलोड. g is vertically downward. This body is not going downward. So I have to check g का कौन सा कंपोनेंट है. This is theta. So this will be 90 minus theta. ये वाला बराबर. So this will be theta. This is g cos theta. This is g sin theta. They followed or not this component?
Followed sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the only difficulty. Otherwise now it is just one liner. See, mg sin theta minus t is ma. Clear? Body is coming down, so downward वाला force ज्यादा, minus
sir.
away वाला equal to ma. How much is m given? 2.
2.
G is 10. Sin theta how much? Sin theta. चलो बोलो फास्ट. sin theta कितना है? डायग्राम बनाया ना मैंने इधर.
3 by 5.
3
Very
by
good.
5.
3 by 5. Very good. Minus t. This is mass is 2. Acceleration 2. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Minus t is 4. Therefore, t equals to 12 minus 4. T equal to 8. हो गया ना? T equal to 8.
So mass is 12 kg.
Mass is 12
The
given.
mass 12 है.
Sorry,
Yes,
sorry. I made mistake. Sorry. So this will be 12. This will be 12. So 12, 2 3s are 6, 72 minus 24. So 72 minus 24 will be 48. 48, yes. दो चीजें, ट्रायंगल वाला भी देख लेना बराबर, और जी का कंपोनेंट भी बराबर समझ लेना.
Done, sir.
Okay. 152. This I will not do. You have to do on your own and tell correct answer.
Sir, is it 7.5 N?
7.5 Newton. Yes, I think it is right. $75 it is coming.
Yes, sir. I got 75.
75, 75. 75 is correct. T minus 6G is 6A equation 1. 10G minus T is 10A equation 2. Add. 4G is 16A. A is G by 4. Then T equals to T minus 6G is 6A. Therefore, T is 6G plus 6A. 6G plus 6 into G by 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 12 and 3, 15 G by 2. 7.5 G. 7.5 into 10, 75 Newton is correct. 75 Newton. Yes, completed?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, try. Those who have completed can try 176.
Done, sir.
176 then try. This is 6 kg, 1 kg, 3 kg are connected to each other as shown in the figure. Acceleration with which the system will move will be. Tension also they have marked. This you take as T1, T1, T2, and here T2. What is acceleration of the system? Now clear cut we can see 3 kg wala wajan zyada hai, so this will be the direction of motion. Take 2 minutes and tell me the required answer. Correct answer is
So 2.
2
Yes,
aa
sir.
raha hai.
हाँ sir.
Yes,
two.
sir.
Yes,
2.
sir.
2.
Net acceleration 2 you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Others are also getting same.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Correct है 2. Now I think सबको idea आ गया कैसा करना है. Anybody who didn't get, I am doing on the board then, on the screen in fact. So this is 1g, this is 3g. First body का free body diagram. T1 minus 1g is 1a, equation 1. This is second body. For second body, it is moving on the right. So T2 minus T1 is 2 times, weight is 2 kg. No, sorry, second body naam diya tha. Weight is 6 kg, 6a, second equation. For third body, 3g minus T2 equals to 3a, third body. Then you add T1, T1, T2, T2 cancel, 3g minus 1g is 2g equals to 1 plus 6 plus 3 is 10a. Therefore, a equals to 1 by 5g. 1 by 5g means 1 by 5 into 10 equals to 2. Perfect. देखो शॉर्टकट अगर करेंगे तो भी चलेगा. Now when you pull this, तो ऐसा है ना, ये बॉडी, फिर इधर ये 3g इधर, फिर इसके ऊपर 2g इधर, तो नेट इज 3g minus 1g. This is net force. 3g minus 2g is 2g upon total mass. Total mass is 10. तो ये शॉर्टकट आ गया डायरेक्ट एक लाइन में 2. Yes, Aman, you followed the shortcut which I am telling.
Yes, sir.
If I assume that 3g and 1g are on the table, so 3g is acting on right and 1g will be acting on the left ना?
Yes, sir.
तो नेट फोर्स क्या होएगा, राइट और लेफ्ट, राइट बढ़ा तो 3g minus 2g, 1g is 2g and total mass is m1 plus m2 plus m3. तो ये शॉर्टकट आ गया. अगर ऐसा क्लिक होता है तो you
Yes,
can
sir.
save the steps. Anybody who has not followed this sum? Mohit, Swaraj, Aryan Bagwe,
Followed, sir.
look at sum number 174. Sitesh, I want answer from you. 174 का 174. All of you read 2-3 times. Answer is hidden in the statement. 174.
Sir, C 2mg.
2 mg. Who tell this? Sitesh, you told?
Yes, sir.
नहीं गाड़ी का टक्कर हो गया यार. Insurance
Sir,
money.
zero.
Sir, एक second.
Zero.
Zero is correct answer. No need to calculate.
0, sir.
That's why I told read. देखो read क्या लिखा है? Moves upward at constant speed. What is constant speed? Acceleration is 0. है ना?
Oh, yes, sir.
So just underline since speed is constant, acceleration is 0, force is 0. ये 2013 में आया था नीट वालों को. So आज इतने ही करता हूं, नहीं तो ओवरडोज हो जाएगा आप लोगों को. Please practice all these sums once again And this test, everybody should try to get full marks.